Tired of losing receipts in Xero? Stop guessing where to upload. I will show you the exact Files Inbox method, and by the end of this video, you will never waste time dragging files into the wrong spot again. First, log in and navigate to your organization. Then we will click through to Files and upload your document. Simple as that. All right, so grab your computer and let us get started. You are going to want to open up Xero and log into your account. And here's the thing, do not worry about finding the perfect section yet. That is what the Files Inbox is for. It catches everything and sorts it out later. So just go ahead and sign in like you normally would. Now that you are logged in, take a look at the top left corner of your screen. You will see your organization name listed there. Go ahead and click on it. This is your home base, the name of the company you are working with. By clicking it, you are telling Xero, okay, this is where I want to upload things. It keeps everything organized from the very start. Next, you will see a menu pop up on the left-hand side. Look for the option that says Files and click it. This is a central hub where all your documents live. And the really smart part? There is a special section inside here just for incoming documents. So by clicking Files, you are opening the door to the right place. Now, once you are inside the Files area, look for the button that says Upload to Files Inbox. Click on that. This is your golden ticket. The Files Inbox is a holding area where your documents wait to be processed. You do not have to worry about filing them perfectly yet. Just get them in the door. So go ahead and click that Upload button. A window will pop up asking you to select a file from your computer. This is where you browse to wherever you saved that receipt or invoice or document. It could be a PDF, a photo, an Excel file. Xero's pretty flexible here. Just find the file, click on it, and hit Open. And one quick tip, make sure the file name makes sense. If it is called Image 23, you might want to rename it to something like Office Supplies Receipt June 2025. It will save you headaches later. So, you have selected your file, and now you just need to wait for the upload to complete. This might take a moment to process, especially if the file is large or if your internet connection is a little slow. Do not click away or close the window. Just let it do its thing. You will see a progress bar or a spinning icon. Be patient here. Rushing this step can cause the upload to fail, and nobody wants to start over. Once the upload finishes, take a moment to review the uploaded file. Click on it to open it up and make sure it looks right. Check that all the pages are there, that the image is clear, that the numbers are readable. This is your chance to catch any mistakes before the document moves on to be processed. If something looks wrong, you can delete it and re-upload easily. Better to catch it now than later. And there you have it. You have successfully uploaded a document to the Xero Files Inbox for processing and record keeping. Now, every time you get a receipt or an invoice, you know exactly where it goes. No more guessing, no more lost files. Just upload it straight to the inbox and let Xero handle the rest. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.